Sorry, these vlogs are really short, but the storage is running out really quickly, and the vlog doesn't upload if it's not around 2 minutes or so for some reason on the... Guys, I might go out there. Just to show you the snow, yeah. This picture here, is kind of swaying a little bit, keeps falling, like nearly falling. I was just shoveling out there, my puzzle. Hey, brother. Is it? Oh, they're playing. They're playing. They're playing. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'll have to go all the way out there now to get in the proper snow where it's not been touched. Like up by the hill there, nobody's touched it yet. Yeah. We still have Christmas decorations up. I know, it feels more like Christmas now that it snowed. Yeah. So let's keep these decorations up for a little longer. My birthday's in January, so let's make my birthday feel like Christmas. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Take some snow. Boom! Oh no! She doesn't like that. Okay, so here are some of my subscribers. Shout out to Criticuzly, Noah Talks, Alex Plays Gaming, Amir Hussein, okay. I got it. Quartnix, Free, Flip A Zone, Noah Amarim. Can you see all of them? I hope you can. Super Gamer, Koa Nigan, Ruby Meza, Sam Smith, Ricky Carver. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying them like that. Team Phantom Potato, Ray Nevarez, Brianna Payne. Okay, I'm uploading this video. I hope you like it. It's really funny. And Noah Talks is in near the end. I put a little clip of his video and it's funny. Like the iPhone 7 might finally take away these stupid antennas. See? So it doesn't look like that. All nice and metal. I really wanted that on the 6. I hate the antennas on the 6. Let's hope this ends up being true. Please. Because I'm getting the 7S Plus probably as my next upgrade. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.